Dovly Credit Repair Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Dovly is an AI-powered credit repair platform aiming to automate and simplify the process of improving your credit score. Its key feature is its proprietary algorithm, designed to identify and dispute inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable negative items on your credit reports across all three major bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. It continuously monitors your credit reports and automatically generates dispute letters based on the identified inaccuracies. Dovly targets individuals with simple to moderately complex credit profiles who are looking for a hands-off approach to credit repair. It's particularly beneficial for those overwhelmed by the traditional credit repair process and prefer a digital solution. A significant strength is its ease of use. The interface is intuitive, allowing users to quickly sign up, link their credit accounts, and track the progress of their disputes. The automation saves considerable time and effort compared to manually disputing errors. Furthermore, Dovly offers credit score simulations, allowing users to estimate the impact of removing specific negative items. However, Dovly's automated approach can be a weakness for individuals with highly complex credit situations involving bankruptcies, foreclosures, or identity theft. These scenarios often require personalized strategies and human intervention that Dovly's algorithm might not adequately address. The standardized dispute letters may not be as effective as custom-written letters tailored to specific circumstances. Another potential drawback is the lack of direct communication with credit bureaus. Dovly acts as an intermediary, which might slow down the dispute resolution process compared to direct engagement. Transparency regarding the specific algorithms used and the logic behind the dispute strategies is limited, which can be a concern for users who prefer a more transparent process. Pricing can also be a factor. While generally competitive, it's crucial to compare it against traditional credit repair services and DIY options to determine the best value for your specific needs. Finally, remember that no credit repair service, including Dovly, can guarantee specific results or remove accurate negative information. In conclusion, Dovly offers a convenient and efficient solution for basic credit repair, particularly appealing to tech-savvy individuals seeking automation. While it excels in simplifying the process, its limitations in handling complex cases and its lack of direct bureau communication should be carefully considered before making a decision. If you have a relatively straightforward credit profile and prefer a hands-off approach, Dovly might be a worthwhile option. However, for more complex situations, consulting with a credit repair specialist or exploring DIY options may be more effective.